Welcome to BigEye Market Updates. In this new format, our experts on economy and the stock markets are giving their opinions about breaking news, breaking topics, and how it will affect the markets internationally. Our guest today and our expert today is Rainer Hahn from Swiss Investor and Swiss Monday. And he's living in Asia for over 20 years. Therefore, he's going to talk about the coronavirus and how it will affect the Chinese, the Asian, and the international markets. Stay tuned.
Twenty-eight thousand Chinese are infected by the coronavirus until today. And now welcome to a new market update from BigEye channel. Panic or real danger with the coronavirus? This is a big question. On Monday or Tuesday, China counted 20,000 people they are infected on the coronavirus. Today it's already 28,000 people and nearly 600 people died. The stock market on the same time doesn't see any big problems and it's growing and growing to the all-time highs like the Dow Jones. Is this far away from reality? I think yes, because when you see that many retailers already closed their shops like IKEA, Starbucks, Apple stores, factories don't work anymore, or some factories declined their production lines. Also here Apple, Foxconn, the OEM arm from Apple, cut the capacity down on 50% already. In South Korea, the car maker Hyundai Motors had to stop the production in Korea because China cannot deliver the spare parts at the moment. And I think this is just the beginning of a huge disaster, because 25% of products who are traded in the world are from China, or China is involved. And we are just 14 or 15 days after the coronavirus got public. I see a bigger and bigger problem running also on the international and the global economy. China is one side. One side is that compared to the SARS virus, China was really like a global factory. Nowadays, also the service industry in China grew or has a higher percentage of the Chinese GDP. Let's have a look on, for example, the restaurants. The restaurants in China are empty. The streets are empty. Not in all cities, but it is growing and growing and growing. Even in Shanghai, the people get nervous. Guangzhou, Shenzhen. There are so big cities and provinces, Wuxi, Nanjing, and so on. So it will be a huge impact, especially in the first quarter. Let's see what happens in the second quarter, what will happen in the second half in this year. Some medical or virus specialists expect that in warmer season the virus could die. I'm not so okay. I'm not a scientist, but I'm not confident about these ideas, because it seems like nobody knows anything about this virus. When this virus stays on a door hold or on steel, like on the toilet when you flush, you have the virus on the hand and it stays there. This doesn't mean this virus is dying or something like this. And then is, of course, the big question: what is the next? Now we have the passengers, the flight passengers. The flights are reduced really to a minimum. Some airlines only fly to Beijing or to Shanghai. What will happen when also the goods, the products are not anymore allowed to leave China? I expect this will happen in the next weeks, that first restrictions could come. And this will have a huge impact to the global economy. Nobody believes this, especially the stock market. I don't know what even the TV channels are reporting. Okay, BBC, CNN are talking about it, but still, it still seems like it's a small flu. Like I said before, I'm not a scientist or something, but I live here in Asia, and I see the nervousity. The people get nervous, not panic yet, but really nervous. Even when I'm sitting in the taxi driver has his mask. When I'm at the airport, I've been to Singapore. Um, 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 the people are nervous. And what will happen on the stock market? I think at the moment it's calm. But when you will see the first declines in the sales or in the production decline, the market will react. And I cannot see any positive reaction on a very negative or dangerous situation like we have at the moment. And if this kind of information will go through and will also arrive in the skyscrapers in New York and all the other financial centers. We will see now. Then the market will not find any excuses anymore to go up, and this shock for the markets will be a domino effect, and I expect a real crash. The world economy is anyway close to a recession, and this virus will stimulate the situation more and more. So I don't want to recommend anything, but I'm very careful on the market at the moment. Higher cash. I'm buying more and more precious metals, gold, silver, and I only can recommend you be careful. Have a good day, take good care, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Now it's decision time. You can watch this relevant video or watch this relevant playlist. You can subscribe to our channel, or you can subscribe to our German channel, BigEye Deutsch. See you next time around.